In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a case in Salesforce. This guide is perfect for those who are new to Salesforce and looking to streamline their customer support process. Let's dive in and walk you through the steps. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening the app launcher in Salesforce. This is your gateway to navigating through all the features Salesforce has to offer. Within the app launcher, find and select Cases. If you're wondering why we start here, it's because the Cases section in Salesforce is designed specifically to manage customer issues, keeping everything organized and trackable. Once you're in the Cases section, go ahead and click on Cases. You'll notice a new button appear. You'll want to click on that to begin setting up a new case. This is essentially where the magic happens. By creating a new case, you're opening a line of communication and organization that will help efficiently solve customer issues. Now it's time to fill out the case fields. The first field you'll encounter is the status. Here you can indicate the phase of the case, whether it's new, working, escalated, or closed. This status serves as an important signal to anyone viewing the case, so accuracy is key. The next field is priority. You'll choose between low, medium, or high to indicate how urgent the issue is. Setting this correctly is instrumental. It ensures that the most critical problems get addressed promptly while managing workflow efficiently. After you've set the priority, you'll want to fill out the contact name. This should be the person who reported the issue, which helps in tracking communication and maintaining a personal touch in your customer service. Following this, you'll see the account name field. This is where you input the customer's company, if applicable. It links the case to the broader company profile, which is useful for business-to-business scenarios or when multiple contacts exist within the same company. Continuing on, there's the subject field. Here you'll type a short description of the issue. Think of this as a headline, a brief yet clear explanation that sums up the case. Next is the description field. This is where you provide more detailed information about the case. Giving thorough details here can save time later, providing clarity and context for anyone working on the case. Additionally, you have the option to add extra details like case origin, type, product, and more, which can further specify the nature of the case and streamline sorting and assignment. Once you've meticulously filled out all the necessary and optional fields, the final step is simple. Click Save. By doing so, you officially log the case into Salesforce, setting it up to be tracked and resolved efficiently. And that's it, you've successfully created a case in Salesforce. Remember, organization and attention to detail are key when managing cases, making the difference in providing exceptional customer service. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.